A very good afternoon to one and all. Today we are going to see a professional communication topic that is on instructions. So why we want to see this instructions in this professional communication? So when we are dealing with professional writing skills, we would be following it with more technical aspects. So instruction plays a vital role where we can present ourselves in a technical manner. So what is instructions? Instructions are creating some kind of efficiency, safety and satisfaction. Poor instructions leads to errors, wasted time and hazards. Companies lose billions due to misunderstanding. So if you are doing your clear instructions, it will help you to develop your product or your project in a better manner. So first we will be knowing where we can use this kind of instructions. Instructions can be used, for example, if you are purchasing a mobile phone or if you are purchasing any kind of electronic goods, you will find a small bit of notification found inside this product. So that will help you how to fix that particular product. So here instruction comes into effect and that will help you how it could be placed in a better manner. So what are the key elements of effective instructions? So here we could see 4 important points, that is clarity, consciousness, visualize and sequencing. So if you follow these 4 points, your instructions will be giving you an effective impact. So you have to first use simple language and avoid jargons. You have to give a simple basic reading strategy where people can easily read and understand. So this instruction should suit not only the learned person, but it should suit a very low level learner too. For example, a 8th standard or a 10th standard student also should read and understand. So likewise your instruction should be in a very clear manner. The second one will be the consciousness. You have to get to the point quickly and avoid unnecessary details. And even if you are adding long sentences, that will distract you. So you should be very, very conscious in this part. The third one is you have to use visualize. So whenever you see an instruction part, you could see a lot of images placed nearby, which will be giving you a clear idea of how it should be done. So you have to incorporate diagrams, images and videos, enhancing your user understanding and learning. The fourth one will be sequencing. Sequencing is nothing but putting the things in the right order. So you have to present steps in a logical order, base it on timeline and importance of the task. How should you write your instruction? You have to write it in the active voice. Even if you are putting it in the clear form, you have to use the grammatical form of active voice form, and then you have to break down the tasks so that it will help the readers to understand it in a better way. The third one is you have to always use imperative verbs, that is turn, press, attach or action. You can otherwise call it as action verbs. So by using these 3 concepts, your instructions will be in the clear and concise form. And I have given a small image behind. You could see how it should be fixed. So when you are incorporating visualize, you have to add the images along with it so that it will help you to understand in a better manner. So you have to show spatial relationships using diagrams. You have to use realistic images, the image that is the product that is available with you. For example, if you are explaining about the fixing of a charger, you have to give the actual charger image that is available along with the product. So that will give them the clear idea how it should be connected. Then you have to demonstrate how it could be done in a better manner. Then the next part will be structuring and sequencing instructions. So structuring is nothing but you have to put it in the right chronological order, priority based order and task oriented order. For example, you could see the image that is placed on the right hand side. We have given a flow of information. So that means that you have to make the step by step process with a proper flow. So that will help you to present it in a better manner. The next one is testing and refining instructions. You have to test and refine your instructions before sending it outside. You should have a testing process where you have to identify whether you have given in the right order or whether your instructions work out properly. So you have to check twice or thrice before giving it to the public. So that is usability testing, cognitive walkthroughs, and feedback surveys. So all these three things can be done so that you can check whether it is working properly. The next one is role of technology in instructions, how it is supporting us. So here we can split our instructions into three forms, that is online documentation, interactive tutorials, and augmented reality. Nowadays if we go on and purchase something in Amazon, we could find a video in the product link itself, so that you can play the product, check, and then you can identify. So here this technology instructions helps more effectively by having an interactive tutorial guide step by step where AR VR works with the real world situation. So likewise this helps you in a better manner. Finally, mastering of instructions will help you to complete your task with efficiency, user satisfaction, and innovation. So these clear instructions are very best good practices to improve your efficiency, testing and refinement. To ensure quality, implement these strategies in a better manner. I hope you have understood how instruction works with us in our day-to-day life. Thank you. Have a great day.